Vibes, best vibes, Lagos or Accra? I'm not gonna lie to you, Accra takes the cake. What? Sorry, I'm a queer. My name is a queer.
Guys, we're back again to Detty December 2025, and yet some people don't want to accept the fact that they are losers when it comes to Detty December celebration. All right, so I have a video I want you and I to check out, and please, at the end of this video, drop your thoughts in the comment section.
Vibes, Lagos or Accra? Are you kidding me? I go to Accra to sleep. She said she goes to Accra to sleep. What are we doing there? Vibes, best vibes, Lagos or Accra? Okay, guys, this is wow, it's a tough question. And I'm a Yoruba girl born and raised in Oshu and Lagos State. I'm not gonna lie to you, Accra takes the cake. What? Sorry, I'm a queer. My name is a queer. Yes, Accra takes the cake. Vibes. Lagos or Accra? Well, you haven't been to Accra yet, so I can't ask this question.
From what I see online, Accra is a vibe. But Lagos has that energy. It has ginger, you know.
Which has the best vibes, Lagos or Accra?
You know, unfortunately, okay, I was very, very work focused, so I haven't tested the vibes yet.
You haven't tested the vibes, girl.
Depending what vibes you're talking, daily.
You know what vibes I'm talking about.
I do not know about those vibes yet.
Not yet.
Working.
Who has the best vibes, Accra or Lagos?
Vibes as in what? What are we talking
about? Yes, everyone acts like they don't know what I'm talking about. You know what I'm talking about. Vibes now.
Vibes, pa. Let me tell you something. I gotta go with the home team. I love Ghana. I love my Ghanaian people, but I'm going with Niger. Niger for the vibes. Come on now.
The best vibes, Lagos or Accra? Is that even a question? Is that even a question? Lagos, 100%. Vibes on vibes in the world. We're the vibe curators. Nobody can deny that. Best vibes, Lagos or Accra?
Lego's.
Of course.
Lagos.
Tell me, I need to go to Lagos.
Oh, cause see, I was about to ask you who has the best vibes, Lagos or Accra? Well, I thought you were gonna say Accra.
No, I can't answer that because I have not been to Lagos.
That's why I can't ask you because you haven't been. So, but it's cool. You're gonna go, and then when I ask you the question again, you're gonna now say Lagos.
Hey, I am ready. I am ready.
You know now. You know our Nigerian people, they don't like accepting defeat. But when something is not happening, it's not going well, it's not yours, bro. Just allow it to go. Just let it be, okay? Your own time is coming. But as for Detty December, I give it to Ghana, seriously. We are in November, but the Accra is already filled up. I'm telling you, traffic everywhere you enter. See, I'm not even advising anybody to take boats now. If not, the way you pay double, triple because of traffic. Yeah, so that's the energy. This 2025, those people that are saying Lagos will be on fire, the crowd will all move to Lagos, you're about to get shamed, guys. Let's take a look at this very video that this Nigerian guy came and was talking too much. Do you know that this very guy lived in Ghana? He's a Nigerian living in Ghana. So because he left Ghana and, went for holiday in Nigeria, then he thinks he can come out and split nonsense about Ghana. Ghana na your host country, you. Sometimes you guys don't think, country where they live, country where they give you peace of mind.
Many Ghana artists, South African artists, they'll be coming this December to Detty December in Nigeria to come and hustle. That's what's up. That is what the giant does. Yes, now. And this is what we have been asking for in all areas, in film, in music, all trading, every part. Let there be reciprocity. If we are paying $10, let other citizens in Nigeria pay $10. If we are paying $20, let them pay $20. This is what we are asking for. Yes. So kudos to the Nigerian government. Kudos to the entertainment industry in Nigeria. Yes, you will buy your tickets. You will come to Nigeria for Detty December. No artist is going to any African country to go and perform. Yes. And if you see our artists this weekend, Asaka is in the US, Chris Daniel is in Sweden. They are scattered all over Europe. You know why? Because they will not go out in December. So most of these promoters are bringing them in November. So what it means is that they can come to your country in November. But once it is December, it is going to be dirty in Lagos. We must pull that string. Yes. What is Big Brother for what? ECOWAS for what? No way. Reciprocity. If our residence permit is $500, if their resident permit is $500, let our resident permit in Nigeria be $500. All those actors coming to Nigeria to act, let's caution them. Let's control them the way they are controlling us in Ghana and South Africa. This is what I'm asking for. Reciprocity. This is my crusade. Reciprocity. No country is better than the other.
So because you travel to Nigeria, this is what you have to say about Ghana? Come on, you guys are just, showing people how you operate. Some Nigerians say, I don't know where you guys usually think from. I'm telling you. Sometimes I sit and ask myself, where are you guys from? Are you sure you guys are really Nigerians? Because I don't understand. West Africans, you are the only people shaming us. When we are talking about West Africa, like ECOWAS, you are the only people shaming us. Everywhere, Nigeria, people are just rejecting us. They are not only rejecting you as a person, but your passport. They are rejecting your passport. Everything that belongs to your business, everything, they are rejecting. And yet, you come out and be pleading what I do not know. Well, Detty December isn't for Nigerians. Obviously, you guys have seen it for yourself. Is it for Nigerians? No, it's not for Nigerians. Even your Nigerians, yes, are saying Detty December, dear, they should leave it to Ghana because they came, they experienced it. And this is what they have to say. This girl, she's a Nigerian. She's a Nigerian. The second lady that spoke on this video, she's a Nigerian. Does that mean she's lying? If you not get money and you carry yourself come Ghana and say you want to do Detty December, you not go enjoy them now. But if you get money, you go enjoy, bro. So I will not even blame you for saying Lagos have the best Detty December. I will not blame you for saying that. Now because you don't get money. Because if you get money, you go enjoy Detty December in Ghana. Guys, I still have a lot of videos I want us to check out. Okay, let's jump into it. And at the end of it, please can you drop your thoughts in the comment section. Let's watch.
So I want to understand what Detty December is. I keep hearing about it and you should experience this, go to that place. So I just want to know, where should I go?
Ghana. Hey. Now I understand what you meant by the pressure is getting worse. How the parties don't start to 12 a.m., 1 a.m., and you continue partying. 7 o'clock in the morning, the sun has risen. People are going to work. We're still out here partying. I'm tired. Even my week is all tired. I need to go home. But I'll stay a little longer just to enjoy and then go back to the Ghetto America. I'm tired.
When you go to Ghana, it's different. Like normally when you go on a holiday, you might go to Dubai, you might go to America, you have the time difference, you might have a late night where it's 4 a.m. their time. You're like, let me go to bed. Ghana, bro, 4 a.m., you're saying, where is the next spot? That's what you're saying at 4 a.m. Then at 6 a.m., people are saying, what, you got Ace? Jesus. All right, cool, let's go Ace. What's the other one? There's Ace. There's
Front, back, play.
No, there's another one. Twist.
So
the two late ones are Ace or Twist. But the people are, it's 9 a.m., you're getting into the club, man, on tables, dancing like this, 9 a.m.
It's crazy.
You get sleep at like 10 a.m.,
Yeah,
10,
it's
10,
crazy.
It's
11.
called Detty December, guys. Come on.
So this person says every December there's a house party held at Cantonment. You bow. Cantonment by one of the big men in Accra. If you know, you know. Your phone is seized immediately you enter the house. I can only describe it as an Accra version of Diddy's Freak Out.
Your phone is seized.
Yeah. Udu entrance, I assume that phone.
I actually have an idea of the party. I actually know the party.
Why? You go before?
I played that party before. They would literally let you drop your phone somewhere. No videos, nothing.
I go like the party like that.
So be sure of stock up baby oil for Hamatan because it's likely there will be shortage. It is likely there will be shortage.
The person is over
No,
there.
Wallpaper, let me ask you this.
Okay.
There is packs of baby oil at the party.
I've DJed that party before.
Okay.
It's not as bad as you're making it look. So the thing is, the person organizing the party, he's mostly busy. So when he's coming to town, he calls his assistant to like put up something. So it was an apartment. They make it look like a club. He has a reputation to keep. That's why he doesn't make people bring
Take
their
videos.
phones.
Okay.
But they are safe. There's security. There's everything, so that you don't take videos and post. But people are just having fun. Nobody pays for anything. No alcohol. He even has food available.
Damn.
So the only thing is
So they go
he
do am
can't.
again. You know what, they go do am
It's
again.
regular when he's available and when he's in town.
So is he available this
But he
December?
doesn't more in December.
Is he available this December?
How will I know until I'm called or
He
something?
just-
The thing is, the place the person said the baby oil aspect. The person is trying to paint a picture. I didn't see any baby oil, but the thing is, you can't control the fun people have. What you can control is the things available. So maybe if, quote unquote, if two men like each other there, you can't tell them to stop. It's their life. They are deciding. You are busy also with one girl in the corner doing something. I'm not saying I saw people having same-sex stuff, but I saw people who looked like the LGBT community that were part. They didn't bother me. I didn't see them bother anybody.
We are not homophobic.
I didn't see them bother anybody. I have so many problems than to come and think of what somebody is doing with their private part.
Exactly.
So far as you are not
In my way.
bringing it into my way, they do your. If the law wants to deal with you, the law should deal with you. Not be me, they can punish you.
Top events that you need to be going to during Dirty December. These are in no particular order, so please don't come and flog me. I'm only going to be talking about events that I've been to personally. I do not want to recommend rubbish events, so I'll let you know the ones that I've been to and the ones that you need to go to as well. Brunch and vibes. Now, I go to brunch and vibes in the UK anyway, and it is 10 out of 10. So when they said they were bringing it to Ghana, I just said, yeah, I need to try it out. So I think the first one they did was Jan 24. Of course, I was there. It was crazy. It was so lit. So if you see anything with brunch and vibes, I'm telling you, it's going to be a good time. I went again last year. Like, it's mad. And they open it out, so you have the cabanas, and then you have the, you know, the normal part of Bloom Bar. Crazy. And I know that Bloom is closed, but they're bringing it back there for this year. I think it's the 2nd of Jan. Imagine somebody who's not going to Ghana and they know the dates. This is crazy. But yeah, brunch and vibes, that is my top recommendation. If you're looking for an event, you need to holler at them. All white and all black parties. Like, these are the original parties of Accra. Like, we're talking Soho. If you remember the Soho days, oh God, I'm showing my age. But they used to be at Soho. And I can't remember when they're doing. I think all black is, let me check, 28th for all black. All white is the 1st of Jan. That's just, it's a rite of passage. If you're going to Accra, especially the all white, the all black is a bit, but the all white, on the 1st, you have to be there. I don't know where it is, but if you see all white or black, you need to go. Speaking of all whites, 26th of December, if you know, Little Havana. Now, honestly speaking, I've not been in recent years, only because I was going year after year and I just wanted to do something else on the 26th. But that is also a rite of passage in Accra. 26th is all the way in Abri, so get your drivers patterned because Abri is like, 40-50 minutes. There is a lot of traffic as well because everyone literally goes to the same events. You know Accra already. Everyone goes to the same events at the same time, so you will see people you know. 26th, Little Havana, I know they still do it. If you've never been to Accra, I think rite of passage, you have to. Same way, Five Fingers is rite of passage. Little Havana in Abri is definitely a rite of passage. Polo Beach parties. Now, Polo Beach is that venue where they throw parties and 9 times out of 10, every party is gonna be absolutely lit. It is a little bit annoying because mostly it's tables, but you'll see that Accra is all about tables. But I'm telling you, if you wanna have a good time, try to go to at least 2 or 3 Polo Beach parties. Personally, I went to their New Year's Eve party going into New Year's Day. Of course, you cross over at church and then you go back to Polo Beach, but that's one I've been to. The Composers have done a couple events there as well. Crazy. It's the live music, you're chilling, and then it turns into a party. I think last year Kiddie had an event, Liquor on the Beach. That was sick as well. So Polo Beach is a place where you know that whoever is hosting an event there, it should be good. I think DLT might be doing some stuff there as well, but Polo Beach parties, guys, you need to go. For my day party lovers, I know the video I made that I said that, Accra don't come out for day parties. There is one that people do a day at a time. Imola. I've been to 2. I'm not gonna lie, at first my cousins were like, come, let's come, and I was a bit like, it was really, really good. Imola. So if you see Imola, you know you have to pull up. I'm gonna do another video on places, like spots that you need to be at. This one is purely for events that I've been to that I really like. So this one is a newer one and it's Soft Life. I think it launched this year when I was there in Easter. And I went for my birthday. It was crazy. And the thing about Accra, everybody just ends up going out for like the official first time on the 18th. It's the Friday before Christmas. That Friday, whatever it is the rite of passage. That Friday is where everybody's outside. You're scoping to see, who's in town today. The girls are looking at the love interest. Joking, not joking. The men too are just trying to scope out their bays for December. But 18th, so if you want to go out the Friday before Christmas, it's lit. And Soft Life was an event that I went this year and it was crazy. I feel like in Accra, it's very rare to have bad events. It's all about the vibe, the people, and 9 times out of 10, everyone is going to be at the same place at the same time because Accra is big, but Accra is small.
Most of the times when you tell somebody that is in Nigeria to come to Ghana, they'll be like, oh, is it not just Ghana that is here? But let me tell you 3 things actually that are different. When you think about coming to Ghana from Nigeria and you be like, oh, it's just here. First of all, when you arrive, one of the first things that you start looking at is the cost. Because once you want to buy something, you start immediately calculating the conversion in your head. And then you be like, these prices are quite different. And especially when you're going to buy food. Because the cost of food, most of the times people be like, how is this plate of food, let's say for instance 120 cedis for, let's say, rice, chicken with some plantain and salad on the side and everything like that, and then you be like, in Nigeria this cannot be like that. But the reality is that this is how the pricing is here, and usually you'd go to different places and see different prices. Prices can vary, and it depends on really what you're buying, from street food to restaurants to high-end restaurant. That's how the prices will be different. And that's why I always say that if you're going to come from Lagos to Ghana, budgeting is very, very important. And this is why when we have already planned our trip from the 16th to the 20th of December this year, we have prepared in a way that everything is inclusive. Your accommodation, which is 2 in a room, your transportation, coming from Lagos to Ghana and back to Nigeria, on-ground transportation, gate fees, even feeding. So when you're thinking about traveling from Lagos to Ghana, it's been made easy for you so that you don't have to start stressing about how much am I going to use on this or that. And at the same time, you have the vibes, which is you have people around you that will be traveling with you. So if you want to book your slot, don't waste any time and send us a DM. And I will see you in Ghana this December to eat some Ghana jollof.